Meaning of inactive.
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 Inactive. Inactive refers to a state of inactivity or not being in use. In the context of human health, an inactive lifestyle is associated with a lack of physical activity, which can lead to various health problems such as obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. In business, an inactive account refers to an account that has had no recent transactions or activity. This can result in the account being closed, as it is deemed not financially viable or relevant. Overall, being inactive can have negative consequences in various aspects of life, and it is important to maintain a healthy level of activity both physically and mentally.